Hello and welcome to Ben's Addiction. Today we are having a very crucial video for you. You will get this sign and script on your instrument cluster. Oil sensor faulty. Visit workshop. So you don't want to see this on your screen for a long time. As soon as you see this, make sure you have enough oil and you make sure that that sensor is in a good shape. Fault codes you might get when scanning these type of faults are P2076, P2040, and P2039. As you can see, all related to oil temperature sensor and oil level sensor. Some more modern engines like this M272 2010 year has a dipstick for checking the oil level, and that makes the servicing and checking much easier. If you have one of these engines that does not come with a dipstick, oil dipstick to check the oil level on your vehicle, you are only relying on one sensor, and that's the oil level sensor, which is basically around the oil pan area, somewhere installed in there. So this is for any Mercedes-Benz after 2000 year, and it's basically the same thing. The procedure is the same thing. You need to make sure that that sensor is 100% fully functional and you don't get any error from ECU from that sensor. Otherwise, you will be in big trouble if your engine oil level goes down actually, and that sensor would show different values. So let's go ahead and check this car, which has an oil level sensor problem. This is the way this sensor looks like. If you remove it, it comes in different shapes and different types. Make sure you buy the correct one. And as I said, there is an oil seal over here, as you can see. So this sensor comes with a seal over here. So here's the part number you will need. The sensor for this M112 engine 2004. The part number is A041536628. So basically, if you come underneath the car, underneath the oil pan, you will see this sensor over here, which in this case for Mercedes-Benz M112 and M113 engine, the V6 and V8 looks like this. It has 3 bolts on it, as you can see, and there is a 3-pin connector over here. To remove this sensor, you need to remove the oil. In this case, I'm going to change the oil on this engine because it's about 8,000 kilometers. The oil has not been changed, so it's a very good time to do the both at the same time and save time and money. So number 13, to remove the oil drain plug, as usual. And what an exciting moment. Now we need E10 socket to remove these 3 bolts, and of course by pushing this tab over here you remove the 3-pin connector from here. So you can see this is the tab. And then just remove it, and there is no adhesive around it, and it's only getting held by those 3 bolts, and it's leak proof by means of that o-ring around it. Just cleaning inside around just a little bit. Very nice, very clean. Now lubricating just a little bit the seal, the o-ring, and there we go. Easy. Put back the connector and make sure it clicks in. The oil drain plug is back and torqued down, and we're going to refill the oil inside. Here is one check you can do before putting back the oil. Just switch on the ignition. Of course, there is no oil in the oil pan, and the new sensor should send this signal to the cluster. Stop the engine, no oil. And this is a good sign. The new sensor is working, connected, and you're good to put the oil back in. So let's put some good quality 5W30 in. Approximately 8 liters, but then we have to check again. And this is when we have 7 liters of oil in the engine. It should not say anything about low oil at all, but very soon we're going to check the oil level. And then we will need to erase all these stored codes. Code cleared. Switch off the ignition. Switch on the ignition. Check for more fault codes. And boom, success. No fault code found. And then checking the oil level by going to the temperature and then pressing the arrow down, and engine oil level is okay. I only added 7 liters. That is enough oil, and the sensor is functioning properly now, so no issue at all. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Please support me with only liking and subscribing to this channel. I have recently noticed less traffic and less views and less likes on my videos, which is a bit discouraging. Please go ahead and give me a thumb up if you like this video. Have a great day, enjoy your Mercedes, and bye.
Let's go.